So these are all the things that you need to look out for. Are we holding above this upward sloping trend line, right? Are we getting a nice consolidation above the trend? Is the MACD leveling out and giving us signals that the momentum may continue bullish? Is the 21-day EMA starting to, flatline and starting to point upwards with the momentum? Are we getting that type of confirmation too? These are all the things that you need to look out for. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin, what we can expect over the next week, and what do we need to look for to know if Bitcoin has the momentum to continue hitting new all-time highs. First of all, looking at the Cryptowatch homepage, by the way, the platform that you guys see me use is totally free to sign up. Sign up with Cryptowatch using the link below. Today's market is a mixed bag. Some coins are up, some coins are down. But this is pretty normal considering that yesterday everything went up. And now we're just getting a further consolidation, which is all totally expected. Now, looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, as we were pulling back off 58,000, people were getting really scared, really bearish. And really, the market was just looking to retest this previous high, which is all normal price action. We did this in 2017 as well. But now that we've gotten this breakout of the falling wedge, it's restored some confidence in people. And right now we have a lot of new people joining in on the market. And you guys have to remember that, if you go from sub 30K to 58,000 in like a straight shot, you should expect some downside, right? It's not crashing. People in crypto use the words dumping and crashing, and it's so misused. It's just a correction. It's just a healthy correction. So when you see Bitcoin doing these moves, then you should not be scared. Anyway, guys, what exactly do we need to look out for now to know if Bitcoin is going to get a breakout again to a new all-time high? The two people that are making the most gains right now, the two types of people. One is hodlers. Hodlers who are buying for years and are holding, they're making the most. Two is momentum traders. Momentum traders have been killing it recently, especially if you're looking at the MACD on the daily. Every bullish crossover that we've gotten so far has led to a major breakout. If you've just been playing the momentum recently, then you've been doing really well by just trading these bullish crossovers. And you can see that we've been holding above this steady upward sloping trend line. And also the people that have been buying below the 21-day EMA, down here we wicked below it, just below 17K. We also got it right here in this area before we broke above 20K officially, that low 18K range. And then we fell below the 21-day EMA again, after we hit 42,000. There was a huge area of accumulation below the $30,000 level, or right around that $30,000 level. And now we're in a similar position once again where we're falling below the 21-day EMA, and we're at a point where we could be seeing the MACD starting to level out and then look to cross bullish maybe in a week or so. But we would of course have to look for the confirmation first. So these are all the things that you need to look out for. Are we holding above this upward sloping trend line, right? Are we getting a nice consolidation above the trend? Is the MACD leveling out and giving us signals that the momentum may continue bullish? Is the 21-day EMA starting to, flatline and starting to point upwards with the momentum? Are we getting that type of confirmation too? These are all the things that you need to look out for to know if this is going to continue. And yes, if it does continue, this could be like the entrance into a major parabolic phase, right? Where we have like a major blow off top for Bitcoin moving into the summer. Something like this, I think, is totally possible, as high as 250,000 before entering the bear market, right? Now, there's always the other possibility. Right now, I'm still bullish on the market. I'm remaining very bullish on this market. I see that the momentum is here, and I see that we do have the potential to continue playing towards the upside and going through price discovery. Key level that I'm looking for is, the 42K level, about 42K, that range. So we have our upward sloping trend line and our horizontal support, right? So we have horizontal support, upward sloping trend line. If we start to trend down below these two, we break below 42, something like this would signal that Bitcoin has lost its demand, lost its momentum. Confidence would be dwindling. I don't see a reason why we shouldn't stay bullish. There's so much happening. People like Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank are putting 3% of their portfolio in Bitcoin now, above 40,000, 47,000, whenever he bought. I'm not totally sure. And I find this hilarious because he used to be one of the biggest Bitcoin skeptics and talked crap on Bitcoin, and now he's got laser eyes. in his Twitter image, which is something that is trending through the crypto community. Laser eyes, kind of funny. But yeah, I mean, we got people like this buying in now. So I think that we're really just starting to get the momentum. We had Michael Saylor really kick things off. Then we had, Tesla. Now people like Kevin O'Leary. It's only going to escalate from here. It's only going to get more and more bullish, in my opinion. Of course, nothing is guaranteed. But like we discussed in the last video, these two run-ups look very similar. The psychology is almost the same. They're almost just like spitting images of one another, which means that it's just part of the increase in momentum and the increase in demand, and it's not a market cycle top, right? Of course, again, nothing is guaranteed, but I'm very confident that this is not a market cycle top and that we do have more upside to go. There really is nothing about this chart that tells me that it's a market cycle top. Looking at the RSI on the daily, we've got a nice reset on the daily RSI. Let's go to the weekly for the RSI. We're coming back below overbought territory, and this is all really good stuff, right? In 2017, we were just kind of going up for a whole year, testing these levels like 84 to like 90, touching those levels over and over again. And that's exactly what we want to see in a bull market. And I think we could be seeing something just like that, right, in this bull market as well. And in a bull market, you want to stay overbought for long periods of time. That's just how bull markets go. And speaking of the MACD on the weekly, just now that we've been talking about it today, in 2016, from October of 2016 all the way until January of 2018, the whole bull market, the MACD was sitting in positive territory. And right now, we're basically like at that point. These two red ones were basically neutral from April of 2020. Who knows how long it could take. I believe that somewhere from June to August is when we're going to top out. So it could be from April 2020 all the way till, August 2021, the MACD is sitting in positive territory on the weekly. Right now, to me, this is just middle of the bull run type action, and we're looking to go much, much higher in this bull market, guys. You could make the argument that we're halfway into the bull run and that we have, another few more months to go, but still, I think we have way too much momentum to stop now, guys. This train is chugging along. If we do start to break below this upward sloping trend line, I think some people are going to be looking for the 21-week EMA, right? Maybe we would be looking to trend along that or something. This type of structure is also possible, but overall, I'm still very bullish. And as of right now, we're still above this upward sloping trend line, so I'm just going to remain bullish until the chart tells me not to be bullish, right? So things are looking good. And remember, guys, over the next week, we could just be trading sideways. We could just be trading sideways along this trend. Things take time. Stay patient. That's all I have for you guys today. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you're new. And this channel is sponsored by Cryptowatch, which is the platform you see me use in all my videos. Definitely click that link below, sign up for Cryptowatch. It's totally free. And I'll see you guys in the next video.